Hey guys, in this lesson we're going to talk about how to integrate action files. For example, if you want to perform number one action group, you can select and run it in software. You can also use the same way to perform number 5 action group, but number 1 action group will be replaced when open number 5 action group. Can we perform number 1 and number 5 action group in 10? Of course, integrate action file will be used here. Integrate action file is used to integrate several action group files into a new action group. Let's do it together. Firstly, click Open Action File and select number 1 action group file. Now, number 1 action group has been displayed in the action data list. Then click Integrate Action File and select number 5 action group file. We can find that number 1 action group and number 5 action group have been integrated into a new action group. Okay, click Run Online to run the new integrated action group once. You'd better save the action group for future debugging. Okay, this is the end of the video. Please have a try.